In this video, we're going to walk through how you assign a quiz to a student group. Once you've logged in, go to My Ada, and in one of the previous videos we looked at creating student groups, so I'm just going to check what groups I have, and in the last video we created this one called 10 Class A. We also, in a previous video, created a special quiz, so this one was called Bubble Sort Homework. But I would like to assign it to that group. So the way I can do it is either from this Assign button here, or I can do it from within the quiz itself and scroll down and click Set as Assignment. If I click on this now, a dialog appears and I get to choose from this drop down which class to assign it to. I'm going to choose 10 Class A, but I can select multiple groups if I wish and clear them with a little cross like so. So you could set the same quiz to multiple groups at the same time. The start date is optional, which is useful if you want to schedule quizzes to be released at particular times, but it defaults to today's date. And then the due date must be filled in and it defaults to a week's time. I'm going to go ahead and click Assign to Group, and I get a message saying the quiz has assigned successfully. Now, interestingly, I had actually joined that group myself as a teacher, and you might have noticed that I have a little alert up here next to My Ada and also a little red dot here next to Assign to Me. So let's now have a look and see what the student will see. If they've enabled email notifications, they will have got an email to say that they have been assigned a task. And also, if they go to the Assigned to Me menu, you can see that the Bubble Sort Homework quiz has been assigned with the date and the due date in there and who it was assigned by. The student would then click on Bubble Sort Homework and attempt some of the questions. Now you can see that I have, as the teacher, already attempted this question here. And if I click on a type of processing, I can choose an answer. And when I get it correct and go back to the quiz, I should have got a green tick there. In a future video, we'll have a look at what a mark book would look like for a group of students who have attempted an assignment.